Hello and welcome to Weathertainment. It's Wednesday. I'm meteorologist Jeff Matthews. You didn't know it was a black tie event here at Weathertainment today, did you? Well, I guess a pink tie. But I'll tell you one thing. It's hard to keep your eyes off it. No matter what I show you, your eyes are going to be looking here, aren't they? They should be looking there. I'll start off with a look at my temp trend and notice very warm for today at 91, 86 for tomorrow. See, the thing about it is, you can't look away because it's cool. It's cool that way. And for me, it's also cool this way because I'll tell you what, it is hot. And it is humid. And you need any way you can to keep cool. Remember yesterday I mentioned I had 82s for the Saturday through Monday portion of the forecast. So we're refining it slightly, but not a great deal of difference here. It does ramp down towards 82 on Friday and then hover around 80-ish or so for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. The trend is slightly cooler. And I can tell you a week from this Friday, the trend looks like it'll be significantly cooler and much less humid. Yes, we're back to the dew point conversation because that's a big player in our weather. 2 days ago it was at 68 for most of the afternoon, 68 for 1 day ago, and for yesterday it was at 67. So it's riding high in the high 60s, and that means it's incredibly humid and stuffy on top of the heat that's increasing. So the icky stickies continues through Thursday. You're going to be like me, sweating to the oldies here for another day today. Your rain chance is small. And right now, at least until Monday, the only chance really is Thursday morning and early afternoon. But I'm really leaning against it at this point. The system, by the time it arrives, looks like it's just going to thin out too much. So that means if you have a garden, your watering needs to be continued by you because Mother Nature isn't going to help much. There's the radar for the state. You can see it's pretty quiet. Lake Ontario, Lake Erie, not much going on. Broaden it out. These stay to our south. These are never going to get here. This is the system that's developing and brings us our only chance until Monday for rain. And that would be for this coming Thursday. So the high is large and in charge. Has its brother to the south. As this moves off to the east, this one takes over. But notice, now you can see what I was talking about, that this storm would form across Montana and the Dakotas. And now you can see this tremendous swirl and the front extending from it by that band of cloudiness. So that is our only real chance for rain in the next 5 days. If we look at it on the infrared imagery, you can see this system is completely falling apart and dissipating, so we're going to stay in the clear for today in terms of precipitation. But that high moving off allows this high to build in. So this is where we are meteorologically now. This system has already raced up into southeastern Canada, and the next system is this one. And it's developing, but again, it's going to follow its sister to our north, which means we just get the tail end. And the further north this goes, the more of the tail end we get, meaning that there's not much energy or moisture associated with the tail end as opposed to the storm itself. So the rain risk is really pretty low, and it's only for Thursday. Here's a look at your almanac. We missed 90 by 3. We lost 2 more minutes of daylight, and notice sunset is now before 8:30. And I have your forecast if you keep it where it is.
Welcome to Intermission. Intermission.
Welcome back. Well, it is just going to be hot, hot, hot for the foreseeable, well, at least for today. Not much wind, mostly sunny, and a high of 91 degrees. For tonight, partly cloudy, warm, humid, 68 is as low as it gets. That's it. So you're going to need the air conditioner day and night. Tomorrow, kind of the half and half day. The chance for rain until 2 p.m., anytime after 9 a.m., let's say, until 2 p.m. Then the chances wind down dramatically because the front will be passing through and skies will begin clearing up. I don't think it's going to rain tomorrow, but there is a chance for a light shower or two in the late morning hours and early afternoon hours, but it'll clear up anyway later in the day. High of 86 before the cooler air moves in, if you can call it that. And then it looks okay for Friday and for Saturday and for Sunday. Varying amounts of clouds and sun, but at least partly sunny days, and even on Sunday mostly sunny. Chance for rain again on Monday later in the day and again on Tuesday. But we got a long ways to get until we get there. And the heat and humidity today are going to be bold. So dress in cool and lightweight clothing and have a great day.